Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show guys step by step how to post Twitter. Okay, first you want go to the data manager. No, you can go content manager. Okay, and ask post it here. Okay, select uh, post title content. Yeah, we done. You we save. Okay. Next, contain the posting function and select the portion of post. Okay. Okay. The next you wanna click content, select content, save. Okay. Yeah. We done. We start. Wait. Select the account. Okay. We start. We done. Okay. See you and next to the video. See you.